Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make pancakes. I like it so much and I like eating it for my breakfast. And I often make pancakes for my breakfast, and this recipe will make great pancakes every time. So let's start making it. First of all, I have taken an egg and then add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to it, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of milk, 1 1/2 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of vinegar, pinch of salt. Mix all these things well. When it is mixed, add 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. After adding it, all these things will mix very well. It has to be mixed so that it becomes a creamy and smooth mixture. To measure the size of pancake, I'll use 1/8 cup size. Always use medium to low flame to make the pancakes. Don't turn it over until the bubbles stop forming. When it is ready, we will keep the butter on the top and drizzle some honey or maple syrup. Our pancakes are looking very delicious and they were also very good to eat. Thanks watching for my video. See you in the next video. Until then, love.